I like this one, folks. It's a 1967 Oldsmobile 442. Numbers match, factory tuxedo black. Look at it with the red lines, the red pinstripe. Gorgeous. Very nice car. Very nicely optioned. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions. We got 200 cars to look at. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I bought this car 7 or 8 years ago from a 442 collector that I've known for a long time. We sold the car locally, and the people we sold the car to put a total of about 65 miles on it in the entire time they had the car. Unfortunately, he passed away. We just bought the car back from his wife and serviced the car. It's beautiful. So this is a restoration that's at least 10 years old, and just look at how nice it looks. Laser beam straight. You know what they say about black paint jobs, it's got to be right. It shows everything, but look down the sides of this baby. It's tuxedo black, top and bottom, no vinyl top, never did. But again, the metal, the body, absolutely straight, no ripples, no waves. The lines are really nice, square, flush. Look at the quarter panel. Look at the reflection down here. It's like a mirror. Oh, beautiful, straight, smooth, shiny. There are some nicks. Here's some touched up nicks along the edge of the door. It's one good thing about black. The nicks touch up easy. Door opens easily. Jambs are nice. Shuts like a new car. Here's a touch up right up here. A couple little ones there. The roof is all nice and straight. This body line's nice. No dents, no bubbles, no rust. All looking really sharp. 67 has these louvers on the hood, has these nice crisp lines at the top of the fenders. Even the bumper fits the contour of the body real nicely. The bumper looks like it's been re-chromed. All this trim up here looks to be really nice original. Another couple little chips touched up. Another one right there. You got the red pinstripe. The windshield looks very good. There are some dents on the trim up here. Whoever put it back on at one point got a little too aggressive. The moldings around the wheel well, down the sides of the car, they're straight and shiny. 442 emblems, beautiful. Mirrors original, has some freckles, no pitting, just some freckles. The pillar looks nice. Door handles real nice and shiny. The wheels, the SS1 wheels, chrome, gorgeous, radial Redline tires. The rear glass is original, good shape. Also a couple dents on the trim there. It's supposed to be a 45,000 mile car. Actually, that's what's been claimed, and it's very believable. It's just too nice of a car. The tail lights, the bumper, this piece right here, I think is like a pot metal. It's usually pitted. That's really nice. And again, look at all four corners. The bumper fits the body beautifully. The little rubber fillers are still there. Gorgeous car. Take one more look and we're going to open it up. We'll show you inside. All right. Trunk opens easily. I really think this is the original black paint underneath the trunk lid here. Has a trunk light. The jamb is clean. The seams are factory. Weather strips in real nice shape. Inside is all rock solid metal. Does have a jack assembly with the lug wrench. No spare. Nice big trunk. Go to volocars.com to see everything. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the videos. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as they're posted. Door jambs are clean. Weather strips were replaced. Door panels are original and they're in very good shape. Looks like the chrome armrest base was replaced. The dash pad is real nice. This whole instrument panel is beautiful. Look at all the chrome and lenses, all real sharp. 45,918 miles. I like this rally pack of gauges, the tachometer, and then the clock. It's a pretty cool setup. All this is nice. The heater control panel, the radio, the emblem, and the dash pad. I don't see any splits or anything. Clean glove box compartment. Kick panels look nice. Carpets are real nice under the mats. There's the factory center console. The seats are in really nice shape. Actually, when you push on it, it kind of comes apart. I think it's original upholstery. Remember we talked about 45,000 miles. Yeah, I think this is original. And see this yellowed trim here? That's original. Brand new, shiny is new. And look at the seat back, not beat up at all. The back seat does look like that's been reupholstered for some reason. But the side panels and front seats, I believe, are original. Got all the seat belts, front and back. Side panels are real nice. It's the rear speaker shelf. It's a little discolored. Headliner's in very nice shape. Got a vanity mirror. This mirror looks good. Sport steering wheel. Cruise control. So yeah, just inside here, the console, the rally gauges, the steering wheel, the cruise control, those are all options. All right, let's go check out the motor. So they didn't have VIN numbers stamped on the engine at that time. There's some codes on the front of the head there that is correct for this car and the casting. All the numbers that can be matched to this car are, and they do match. It is changed with a new, I don't know how new, but a replacement dual feed Holley carburetor with electric choke. Other than that, stock manifolds and valve covers and that sort of thing. The engine bay looks to be original. Just very nice shape. Alternator looks new. It's got the horn, the shroud, all this just looks to be in proper shape. Battery is secured properly. We got the power steering, we got the cruise control, and it does have a new power brake system. And then there's the tag right there, the 5V, that designates the 442 package. And the AA paint is tuxedo black, top and bottom, no vinyl top. Michael's going to show you how nice this one runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
You know it's going to be a good day when you feel those secondaries open up on that 400. Loving this car right here. Kind of got the whole bad boy thing going on, the black on black. Feeling great, running great. Didn't even feel the automatic trans shifting back there. Nice, easy drive. Power steering works great. Consistent brake pedal. Let's see what she's got. Alright. Now we're actually doing 70 miles an hour. We'll bring it back down to 60 and pause right there, but yeah, stretch the legs out on that numbers matching engine. Very nice runner. See how it goes down the road. Extremely dialed in car, top to bottom. That's my opinion. Fantastic drive. Come on and take it for a spin if you'd like to. You're always more than welcome here at the museum. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So this is not a body off frame restoration. This is a really nice, clean, unmolested, well cared for car with stunning looks. I mean, come on. That thing is just sharp every time I look at it, even in pictures on our website in person, like, man, is that good looking. But underneath the car is very clean, well sorted, proper. This has the rally suspension, which is sway bars front and back, boxed rear control arms. When they upgraded the power brakes, they also put disc brakes on the front. They would have still been drum at that time. So the brake system's great. It has a nice dual exhaust system. Just everything clean, proper, e-brakes hooked up. Looking up at the motor, it's clean. I forgot to mention, in 2017, the engine was rebuilt. The transmission was also rebuilt. Unfortunately, I gave them all the receipts, and we haven't got those back. So if we get them, we'll pass them along, but no promises on that. The transmission is the original. The tag on the side is dated 1967 with the code OG. The rear end's original. It's a cruising gear, I think a 331 gear in the back. So just a sweetheart of a car to go cruising, go driving, and you're going to get the compliments. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer questions, including how to get your 67 442 delivered to your garage. If you need financing, they can help with that too. And I'm just telling you, there won't be another one just like this for a long time. Thanks for watching.